Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It is Thursday, January 15th. Crazy, we're already 15 days into the new year. And hopefully we're going to try printing some more money a day. With that being said, don't do anything too crazy a day. Like, patience, people. We have been printing some bull flags this morning. And we're just going to wait to see what we get. Go with the flow and don't go against the wave. The market's moving in waves, people. Don't go against it. Flow with it. And that should help you mitigate some risk today. Good morning, Brett. Hopefully all you guys had a great night last night. Your boy's energized, ready to execute today. So I'm already 9:45, can't come fast enough. I'm ready to make some more smoney's a day. Let's see. Well, we're above the 21 EMA, above the VWAP as well. Oh, actually, let me go fix that real quick.
But you gonna fix the VWAP for us?
Nope, not fixing it. I got mark the highs and lows for last night's session. I do this every single morning just so that way I know.
That's a good mantra to have.
Where they were at. Yeah, we got low yesterday. But we came right back up. Let's see. Overnight low, check. Overnight high, check. Yesterday's high, that is not yesterday's high. So let me fix that. All right, there we go. Now I'm dialed in like a well-oiled machine. We're currently above a pivot point. Couple more days. I'm getting some legacy shirts. I'm excited. I'm excited to have some solid.
I need a size 3. I need a size 3X. 3X.
A 3X. I ordered myself a 4X. I don't like tight stuff on me. You know what I'm saying? I like baggy. When it comes to like shirts. Because I feel like sometimes they shrink in the wash. So that's why I always get a little bit bigger. So when they get washed that first time, they don't get super smalls. Let me make sure our audio.
Not only that, you gotta make sure you're, concealing.
That as well, sir. That as well.
Yeah, for those people not in Florida, he's talking about a sub sandwich, all right?
So we had another bull flag print. Today, the bulls may try to push. We're going to see what we get. Let me turn down. Felt like we were kind of hot on some of the audio. Where's that? Vertical Mac audio. All right, perfect. We should be good now. Martin, what's up? Bro, the pictures is getting bad. I have no clue what you're talking about, bro. Help your boy out. What are you talking about, Martin?
Your boy.
Let me know. Don't know what picture is getting bad.
The picture of beer.
Good, Carlos.
So what's going on?
Mr. Moose, good morning, sir. You sound like you're awake this morning.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good right now. I got a busy day. So I gotta be awake. Oh man, long day today.
Okay.
Hey, before we get started, Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I got you because I'm going to Canada on Sunday. I gotta get the fresh baldy.
Gotcha. The tight baldy.
Yeah, I gotta get that super tight baldy. All right, I'm going to Canada.
You better make sure you stay warm. It's cold as heck.
It's only gonna be like 38, 40 degrees. Okay, that's warm for Brett. So.
Well, your name is not Brett.
You're right, but I do
It
like the
said
cold.
38, but the real feel is like.
Whoa, I'm gonna kiss your bald head. That's crazy, Brett. That's crazy. That's a brother for you right there.
I mean, if you guys keep that to yourself or start an OnlyFans, we don't need to know about it out here.
Your stream getting a little bit foggy on YouTube. Brett, is the stream good? Brett will let me know.
I'm looking at it. I just pop by. I see it. It's fine here.
Okay. It may be your computer, sir. Martin, check your own computer or device. Or your screen may be foggy because it may be cold where you're at, you know? And you're
What's all this cold stuff?
mentally preparing. I'm mentally preparing to be in the cold. I'm gonna be ice skating in between mountains, which is gonna be dope. I'm in Sweden. Well, that's awesome. Thank you for tuning in. Dylan, good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I said everybody. Your boy's jacked on the juice, ready to trade today. Right now, I could take a payout of like $100. But you know what I'm not going to do? I'm not going to take that $100 payout. We're going to keep adding. I had one of my accounts. I took a loss in last week. So now I got to put stuff back in. You know what I'm saying? It was slightly annoying because I was trying to hit at least 5K in that account to request 2,500. And your boy had a boo-boo last week. So I had to bring it back to life, which I did. Now I can still get a payout, but no one's taking a $100 payout. Like, that's craziness.
It's not even working. Unless you're going to Canada. Oh!
I am going to Canada. I actually got to check my order because my hotspot's supposed to be coming in today. Awesome, it's being delivered today.
I think we're going up to $25.99 if it doesn't retrace.
Possible. We keep getting bull flags, right? So since we know the flags always repeat themselves, if we're getting bull flags, don't go short. Wait for the next long opportunity. Go with the flow, not against it.
Absolutely.
So for me personally, I would like us to pop up slightly, then do a nice little pullback to build out a nice big old bull flag. That will take 15 minutes to print, and then I'll be able to jump in.
Save some for the rest of us, killer.
Listen, there's plenty for all of us. Martin, we're trading the Nasdaq, bro. We're trading the Nasdaq. We're about to try printing some money today. There's news today. What news? We had news this morning at 8:30, the job openings or whatever. What other news we got, people? I didn't see anything else. Maybe the Supreme Court today.
On Saturday.
Possibly.
I don't see anything.
Okay. Ule, good evening, brother. Good evening. Glad you're feeling better. All right, we dialed. It's another day in paradise, bro. We just trying to make some monies a day. Had a great meeting yesterday with my new client. They're excited. And I felt bad, right? Because I myself, I'm 6'2", Then my manager is 6'4" and he's like 360. He used to play football for UCF. Whenever we roll in, people are like, "Oh my gosh, this is amazing." And I always gotta let people know, like, listen, all of my guards are not as big as us. Like, sorry to disappoint. But then, oh wow, we feel safe already. I'm like, listen, some of our guys aren't as big as us, but we do have some big guys, but not everyone's gonna be massive.
Charge extra. Charge by the pound.
Charged by the pound. Some clients would pay per pound. All right, we're getting that retracement, Moose likes to say.
Yep.
This is, yeah, I'm staying out till 9:45. Martin, whenever you're up, bro, just lock in your profits and walk away, fam. It's a nice way of securing your money each and every day.
We're gonna touch the 15 EMA at let me see, stop moving. 899.
889, okay.
899.
Oh, 899, okay. Gotcha. Markets are open.
Oh, I believe. Oh, never mind. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, right now.
That's a retrace right there. Bro.
That is a retracement. That is a retracement, sir. For me personally, I'm waiting until 9:45. It's gonna be hard watching all this good old momentum and volatility because your boy loves volatility. But we're gonna be patient. We're gonna keep it safe today. Because I have one account. I think I only need, let me actually double check. See how much I need to make today in certain accounts. Just so I know. Just so I know what I need to do a day. Let's see. So I need less than $500 in one of my growth accounts to be able to request 2K payout on that one. Oh, that's what I need to try, actually. I have a growth funded account that I have not been able to trade. I went to drawdown like on the very first day trading it, and it locked me out because it has the $1,200 stop loss on it built in. Yeah, I hit it, but never unlocked it the next day. So I'm gonna try trading that one today as well.
Did they tell you why they locked it out?
Well, they said it was fine. Like, it has to be a Trade Evade. But I logged on to Trade Evade and I didn't see anything in there. So I'm gonna try testing that account today as well.
Yeah, because as I've seen, these things don't function like normal like financial accounts. Like,
yeah,
you know what I mean? It's not like Schwab. Schwab's never done me like this on some of these things. You know what I mean? In the 25 years that I've invested, 26. So they get crazy sometimes.
Yep. So I'm gonna have to check on that one today, because if not, I'm gonna have to tell them, like, look, y'all gotta do something for me because it is a funded account, but I can't trade it, and it's holding me up because I have other, like, say I can't even use that account. Hopefully they give me like a credit for a new growth account or something, but I have other past evals that I've already done that I can't activate until I lose a funded account because I'm maxed on the 5 with Tradeify. So I got activations just sitting there.
Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Nelson. Good morning, sir. How are you feeling today? Welcome to the stream.
I'm feeling good. How you guys?
You know, I'm better now that you're here, sir.
Thank you.
I purposely did not trade yet because I was waiting for you to show up.
Nah, it's 9:45. Waiting for 9:45.
So on this 1 minute, we had that small bear flag print. I'm not really, oh my goodness, a bear flag because we've been pushing.
So
what's up, Jet? From South Dakota, how cold is it up there? I'm on a cold little tangent today because I'm gonna be in the cold this weekend. I'm in Canada. Mentally preparing. Jay, you're one of Jose's peoples, right? Because you put him in as your reference for the community. -1, golly, absolutely not. Absolutely not. What's that, Carmona? Okay, if you're saying something, we can't hear you.
Oh, my fault. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's breaking up a little bit. Look at this retracement, Moose. Look at that. Look at that, bud.
It's coming down.
Hopefully you got in. Hopefully you made some money, sir.
No, I was skeptical, and I was like, never mind, just kidding.
Yo,
Nah,
my microphone
I should have.
better? Can y'all hear me?
I saw. I even called it out that it was gonna come down to $8.99.
Yeah, no, you did call it out. You called
The way
it.
that the 1 and the 2 were going, I was like, maybe not.
Nothing's worse. I've had like a pimple or something in my nose. Nothing's worse than that feeling when you have a pimple or whatever in your nose like that. It hurts so bad when you touch it. Like, man, it was a struggle last night.
Yo, is my mic better? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, it's better. It's better.
Oh yeah, that's my boy Jay. He's a coworker that both in Indianapolis. It's at 20. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I heard that's your coworker. It started breaking up after that. But no, we got him. We gonna make sure. Yeah, we're gonna make sure you make some money with us, bro. If you Carmona's people, you my people. Welcome to the familia.
Wait, today's the 15th? But there's only one. It's 8:30. Good thing. And it won't be until 20.
What's up, Seth? What's up, everybody on YouTube? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. We're just waiting well, I'm waiting for 9:45 here so I can execute some trades. I wait the first 15 minutes of market open for that range, just so that way it can settle down and we can jump in a little bit safely. If we keep coming down, because we had that push up. Yeah, we got a lot of room if we want to come down. Oh, I kept. That's annoying. Let me fix that. Yeah, I wait the first 15 minutes because what I realized for the first 15 minutes, yes, you can make moves, but trading's personal, right? I would have days when I make tons of money trading the first 15 minutes, and then I would have other days when I lose a lot of money in the first 15 minutes. So instead of me just jumping in to jump in, I patiently wait. What's up, Neil? To try staying safer in the markets, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just shooting for base hits. Trading the first 15, you're swinging for the fence. If this thing rolls over and we start coming on down, we gapped up pretty high here. So who knows what's going to happen? All you need is 10 seconds. Yeah, but I wait. The markets are always here, so that's why I don't stress it. Neil, you watched the whole move. Better man than me. Better man than me. I'm just looking at making a couple dollars a day. That's it. I need 501 funded account to request 2K. And I'm trying to put the 500 between today and tomorrow, or today by itself. And then I'm gonna request a payout while in Canada, so I can say it does not matter your location. You could get a payout from anywhere in the world, because that's what I did when I was in Portugal. I was requesting payouts, daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. Instead of 100%. Well, Neil, luckily you'll get another move, sir. That's the cool thing about trading. He'll give us another move eventually. We just gotta wait for it. So who's made money already? I haven't heard any order fills yet. So who's made money yet in the community?
Not yet. Not yet.
May I ask what chart is being used to draw the... Well, I do my charting on TradingView. I execute my trades on the computer you guys see on NinjaTrader. Just had a bear flag print on the 2-minute. Just had a little bear flag. We need more momentum to the downside there. Come on, Betsy. 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. I'm going to be able to execute some trades. I'm excited. I gotta remember, base hits, patience. Base hits and patience. And that's another reason why I do like waiting till 9:45. It shows me that every single day that I wait not till 9:45, that I have a little bit of discipline. Because waiting 15 minutes when the market is going up, down, just everywhere is difficult. Because I want to click the button, but it helps me not FOMO in, and at the end of the day, it also tells me that I do have enough discipline to wait for the move. BP, sorry to hear that, bro. Make sure you get some electrolytes in you. Whenever I drink electrolytes during the night stream, I sleep like a freaking baby. Yeah, I wake up refreshed as well. BP's in the chat now, so he just said full port your mortgage and car loans, all in max contracts. So we're down here at this pivot point. Honestly, for me, I want to get away from this pivot. So 885 is a pivot. Let's see what we get. Was this the pullback that I wanted? Not really, but if we want to keep pumping up, I'm there for it. Coming up. Less than a minute left now. Less than a minute left for me to be cleared. I want to see you start to build a flag. Yeah, absolutely not, Jose. I'm gonna pray for you, bro. That's cold. That's cold.
That's some cool shit.
Brett, it messes with. I thought it helped people sleep. No, just depends on the person. Is it getting ready to rain? I gotta check. Oh yeah, it's looking nice and gloomy out. Looking nice and gloomy. Look at that push up. 945 there as well. So technically I am ready and clear to trade, but I need a flag now. I need a flag. Indica is the best for sleep. Okay, good to know. Look at that. All right, we're going to be getting some action now, boys. We're pretty close to the middle of this 15-minute range. So it's like, we know what we don't do. We don't diddle in the middle.
No, no, no.
Oh, G sounds excited. He made money. I can tell.
Oh, no, I did it. I didn't trade yet. I didn't trade yet. Don't
Anytime
diddle in
he
the
hears
middle.
diddle in the middle, he starts he gives a remark.
Let me get some doodles on the chart so I don't FOMO. No FOMO here. I really want to wait for this flag on the 5 minute. That's the one I should wait for. Because that would be the money maker. That 15-minute wick is crazy on that previous candle there.
Can you give us the 15-minute range, please?
Yes, sir. The high of the 15-minute range, 952.75. The low, 853.50. 853.50 for the low.
Okay, thank you.
We're currently right above the middle of the 15-minute range here. So we're just going to wait. Honestly, I'm just going to wait here and see what we get. Not trying to get chopped up in the middle of the range today. Can't do that. We're streaming live, right? I can't do that. I can't get chopped up. Not today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. Look at those wicks. So we just had a bear flag print on the 1 minute, but I'm not overly feeling it because looking at these higher time frames, I feel like we may be trying to build out a bull flag. I know. But we're like literally right in the middle of this 15-minute range, so no
It's been
reason just to jump in
fluctuating
right
from,
here.
It's been fluctuating from like 890 to like 910.
Yeah, we gotta get out of this little range here. I don't care what direction we go in either. All right, there's that pivot point again through the pivot. Alrighty, wow. We tapped my yellow line on the 2-minute there. Are we gonna get some follow through now? Wow. Okay. Well, there's the follow through the yellow line. We just broke out of the 15-minute range as well. Let's wait for this retest. All right, there's the retest of the low of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we continue to push lower now. First target for me to the low side here is down at 804. 804 level is my first target to the low side. I want to see us build out a flag. I would love to see a nice little bear flag print down here. Let's see if we get it. Are we going to get the bear flag? We tapped my yellow line.
I'm so mad right now. I'm
Oh.
beyond pissed.
What happened?
I took a buy. I was up 495, right? At the highest. It went up to 495. My maintenance guy comes in, knocks on the door. He's gonna switch out my washing machine. I come back, I'm negative 1,005. I am beyond ticked off right now. In 3 minutes.
You should have closed. Why did you leave it open?
Because when he knocked, I was up 495. So I said, yeah, give me a second. I opened the door, came back, put my dog away, come back, negative. You have no idea how mad I am right now.
Yeah. Listen.
You have no idea how pissed off, how ticked off I am. I'm so
If
sorry.
you don't have stop losses and take profits set up, just close the trade if you're walking away from the computer.
Yo, I am beyond furious right now.
I can imagine. I can imagine.
Don't be furious. Take heart and realize that you taught a lot of people a valuable experience. And with your trading skills and expertise, this is just a small setback. You're an expert, man.
Yeah, but
all that means is that you're human, not like Duane, a robot. Give yourself some respect.
Yeah, give yourself some credit. You're a human. You're not a robot like me. Okay.
That was not supposed to be the move, though. I'm mad right now.
I'm just showing my respect to you and saying that it's going to be all right.
Thank you.
There's the middle of the 15-minute range right there. Hydro, you don't have to have a stop loss, but if you walking away from the computer, you want to have something on.
Yeah, you just want. I mean, if you're, that's how I feel. If my line of sight is gone, then. What's your schedule like today, Dr. D?
I have to go do some lab work today after stream. I've been trying to get this lab work done like all week, but my appointment's like at 12:30.
Is it okay if I tell the people? Duane is actually a mad scientist on the side.
Definitely not, but whatever floats your boat, people. Let's see if we get a little bull flag.
This is Legacy Wealth Society. We only have yachts over here.
Look at that 5-minute wick. That's a nasty wick, boys. Coming up 4 minutes till 10 o'clock here. 4 minutes. I feel like this is going to be a nice bull flag right here on the 2 well, that's the 1 minute. Let me switch over to the 2. Yeah, I feel like this is going to be a nice little bull flag if the momentum continues up. But we're sitting right here close to the middle of the 15-minute range. So I need some good momentum. Down to that pivot point. Testing that pivot. They're through the pivot now. Okay.
With this much momentum, I think I'm going to go take a nap.
At this rate, I may have to wait till after 10 here to take a look at getting into the markets because I'm not trying to get chopped at 10 o'clock just in case the market moves weird at 10.
At this rate, I might have to wait till next Tuesday. I mean, come on.
Alrighty, well, interesting. So we went further down than 50% of the bull flag pole. So for me now, that will negate the bull flag for what I was looking for. We do have buying pressure, but I don't like how we drop lower than 50% of the pole for the flag. Less than a minute now. Less than a minute for 10 o'clock here. Be careful. Market moves weird at those whole time frames in whole numbers. So keep that in mind. 30 seconds for 10. Well, I'll be up there Sunday, bro. Sunday. There's 10 o'clock. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we build out a little bear flag. I'll be okay with a little bear flag down here. Take us lower. Good morning, Is. Well, luckily when we go, I'll do the challenge, but I probably won't eat the bread. Like, so I'm not really doing the challenge. I'm just there for the meat. But we'll see. We'll see. Because your boy's been so dialed in with his eating this year so far, where I'm like, I ain't trying to mess it up.
The bread challenge.
Until Mexico. Mexico's when I'm gonna be going ham. Just complete transparency. I'm eating everything when I'm in Mexico at the hotel, at the resort. Like, has to happen. Let's see. Are we getting a little bear flag on this 5 minute? I don't like what just happened on the 1 minute chart right there. How the bulls just flipped it. BP, I don't know what you laughing about, bro. I don't know what's so funny. Hopefully all you guys are still staying safe in the markets. Right now, just waiting for a solid momentum in either direction to be able to jump in. Like that right there is looking like a bear flag. But we got this bottom wick on that previous candle, so until we clear that area, I'm not trying to jump in. We're literally pinned below this pivot and below the high, below this 15-minute range here. So we're just chopping right in this little area right now.
Top city.
Yep. I feel like BP probably writes on the note like, your tip for the day is learn how to trade. Come on, market. I see this wannabe flag on the 2 minute. We just need follow through. We don't have follow through yet, so I don't want to jump in early.
Buy or sell.
No, for a sell. We got less than a minute left on the 5 minute candle here. And then we keep popping up to this pivot. We got tons of selling pressure right now, but they don't have enough juice to flush it yet. 20 seconds on the 5-minute candle. Well, the new candle just printed. Tons of selling pressure. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You could give it to us. Show me this bear flag here so we can execute. Bulls are currently holding the line. They don't want this price going lower. Consolidating slightly. Let's see if we get it here. Still not enough. Still not enough to just flush it.
No, this keeps retracing immediately.
Yeah, lots of pressure. Lots of pressure. Yep, we got that wick on that 5-minute candle as well. You don't want to short into buying pressure. Just saying. Let's break the yellow line with momentum. There's the line break. Tons of buying pressure down here. That's why I'm not clicking the button. So much buying pressure. We literally have wicks all in the same area now.
Oh yeah, it's definitely like an area for liquidity.
All right, just clear those previous wicks. Let's see if we get another flush here. Just move this line down because we had the small bear flag. Let's see if we get another one. Back into the 15-minute range. Yeah, those books are crazy right now. This is why we doodle, people. This is why we put lines on the chart and we're watching for the momentum.
I'm actually taking an online finger painting class at this point. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, but lots of buying pressure. Come on, market. I want to make some money. This thing is definitely chopping BP. But the bulls just flipped that candle there. So if we get above this pivot, I may take a long, but it has to be above the pivot point at 885. Why do I say above it? Because we've been pinging and ponging. We hit the pivot, we go down, we hit the bottom, we go up. So just want to get out of this range because I realize I'm not a good range trader whatsoever. Full transparency, I get chopped up. Right, if you're not getting the same results when paper trading, that means there's a mental block. Because the way you trade should be the same across the board. Should not matter what you're trading, sim accounts, paper, whatever. It should be the same way you execute. So we almost touched that pivot and we instantly reject off that 21 EMA. Right, I got you, bro. Tonight's stream, we're talking about trading psychology for the Traders Hangout because that's something that every trader has to battle each and every day. Come on, market. You can give us something here. It's 10-11 already. You can give us something. This is where real traders win, right? They don't trade the chop. They wait. Easier said than done. Neil, from your lips to God's ears, bro. Right now, we're just chopping. We're in this small range right here. And we got to wait for it to break out of it. To the upside or downside. Does not matter, but we got to get out of this range. We're all waiting, bro. We're all waiting. Still trying. The Bulls are trying to push through this pivot.
Which way is it go?
This is straight craziness right now. Look at these bottom wicks on that 5 minute. Here comes the pivot point. Are we going to tap it? These bears, man, they won't give up. They keep stepping in right when the Bulls are trying to get some momentum where they want to push. Looking like a bull flag right there. Below the pivot. The chop is real right now, boys. The chop is freaking real.
Why do you not have this magnificent fucking piece?
Come on, market. Is that trying to do a crazy looking bear flag on this 5 minute? Straight craziness. Straight craziness. This chop is straight craziness. Nothing like watching paint dry, right? And let me guess, the Bulls are going to push it to the pivot point once again here, possibly. Because all these wicks on that 5 are craziness. Right now we're chopping, people. We're chopping. Not much to do when it's chopping. All you can do is wait. No reason to get chopped up for no reason. Curtis, I'm definitely not Indian, bro. That's craziness. Guys, do I look Indian with it on like this? Do I look Indian? For real? I've gotten like Dominican and stuff before, but never Indian. Welcome, Curtis. Welcome to the stream. We trade the Nasdaq every single morning, Monday through Friday. And every single night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, we have a traders hangout where we talk about trading, we talk about life, and everything in between, sir. So make sure you lock in with us so you can learn, you can grow, and you can win with us. Puerto Rican. See, I've gotten Spanish a lot. Not gonna lie. But I'm just African American. What can I say? If you see my parents, you would not think my dad, you know, he's a black man, and my mom, you know, she's a black woman, but I come out looking like I'm Spanish somehow. Probably the milkman or something. Who knows?
Sex.
Right now we're chopping. Right now we are chopping. We're going sideways. And guess what I've learned over all my tons of less than years of experience? You don't trade the chop. Why? You trade the chop, you get chopped. What's up, Ross? Let me know when the markets are done paint drying. This is definitely ugly price action.
All right, maintenance guy left.
All right. Now you can woo-saw, Moose. You can woo-saw.
No,
What's up, bro? Just chilling, man. Just chilling with you guys watching paint dry. Market chopping. We go up a little bit. We come down a little bit. We go down some more. We go up some more. We're going sideways right now. But this is good, right? Because when it's doing this, what does this mean? It's consolidating. The market's consolidating right now. So from consolidation, boys, the move happens. The question is, will we still be in front of the charts when that move actually happens? I'll sub up. Appreciate you, Curtis. Where you tuning in from, bro? And Ross, where are you tuning in from? Where are you two tuning in from? I gotta know. Because this stream is international. We're global over here. So just want to see where you guys tuning in from. Oh, I think my music ended. Thank God. Give me something to do. Next playlist it is. Dylan, I'm ready for any move anywhere. Nope. Where'd my music go? Tuned in from New Orleans, bro. I gotta come check you out there, bro. Y'all got some good food. The Orleans. The Orleans. Give me like a nice po' boy. A chicken po' boy. Can't have the shrimp, sadly. Market, are you going to give it to us? Everyone's sitting with anticipation. Like, I get excited, right? But then I look, I'm like, we're still in the chop zone. We're still in the freaking chop zone. Because for me to actually want to take a trade, I feel like we need to get below. We need to get below 841.75 with momentum for a short, or above like 912 with momentum. So until we do either one of those, I'm just watching the market move sideways. So I'll take this time and talk to y'all. How we feeling, people? Are you up? Are you down? Or are you all around? Talk to me.
I didn't take a trade yet. I'm chilling.
You haven't taken... Wow. Mr. G has not taken a trade yet. And mind you, this man will take a trade in a split second. Like, click, 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 click. I'm up $2,000. So the fact that he hasn't taken a trade, I know I'm doing the right thing today. Nola, New Orleans, bro.
I know how that market is, man. Trust me. Trust me.
Curtis, the UK. What part of the UK you tuning in from, bro? The Nasdaq's like putting lightning in a bottle. That's why we trade it every single day, because it's fun. I was like, what happened? They definitely got good food and music. Mardi Gras. I've never been to a Mardi Gras. I've been to like the one at Universal, and that's not legit. It's not legit. And that was like when I was in high school, I went to that too. So been a minute, people. London, awesome, bro. I'll be in Europe this July. Yeah, I've been doing all right with the Nasdaq. On average, we print pretty decently. Some days we get chopped up. Other days we completely just print money. So that's the life of trading. But we win more than we lose, so that's all that we care about. All right, we're popping up here. Let's get above this 912 area. Want to clear this couple previous wicks that we still got sitting there. But 912 did just get hit. Hoping the bulls could start to push to give us some moves, because I just want to get out this chop zone. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. The Bears trying to step in. The Bears trying to take it back to the chop zone.
Yo, this is wild.
Uh-oh. We may get a reversal here. Who knows? But we're back in the chop, boys. We're back in the chop. Listen, whenever the real move actually happens, it's going to be massive.
And I got the patience to wait on it.
And since you got patience today, G, I got patience. So we got the close from yesterday, 612, 612. Are we getting ready to break to the low side here? It's looking like it wants to. Was this one massive bear flag on the 5 minute? Look at that. Possible. Let's look at some higher time frames. BP, I'm glad you're not at your desk because you be mad with the chop. Currently looking at the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 30. Yeah, just chopping right now. Just chopping. Here comes that pivot. You just had to know what time it's dropping, bro. That's all you gotta do. Use the economic calendar, so you know what time the news drops, and that's when the stuff will drop, and you don't want to be in the markets for it. All right, above the pivot. Straight chopping right now. Yeah, I'm doing everything possible not to take a trade in the chop. Because I have a bad habit, like I think I could trade the chop, which I know I can some days, but normally I just get chopped up, so. Okay, let's see if we clear these wicks. We did not. Want to clear the 841.75 candle wick. If we clear that, we'll probably run down to the VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting at 823.25. This yeah, we got less than a minute on the 15-minute candle as well. Straight chopping right now. This is wild.
There's like a bunch of orders just sitting there. So like right on the ends of each of that range, there's like 1,000 orders sitting there, and every time we get to the top, we dip into those, and it reverses, and then we get to the bottom, dip into that.
Yeah, straight craziness. Straight craziness. I just want to lose 841. We lose 841. I'll take a short down targeting the VWAP because we hit the VWAP before the first target for below this 15-minute range at 804.25. But I just got to see some momentum. Momentum and a decent flag at this point. I won't take the flags that you got to squint your eyes, turn your head to the left to say it's a flag. I'm not going to take those today. I need something clean. Playing with the pivot point. I'm gonna have to stand up and start walking around behind me in a minute. Crib, if you're trading on TradingView, if you want the live data, yes, you gotta pay for it. But if you go with one of the prop firms like Tradeovate, not Tradeovate, like Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, you get the live data feed with them on Ninja and Tradeovate and Rhythmic. Curtis, you could trade the chop as well on the NQ, but for me personally, I don't trade it because I normally get chopped up where I tried trading the chop. You can try to get away with it and you'll win some and you'll also lose some. All right, right now the market's just going sideways. So for me, we need momentum to go in either direction for us to execute trades. Because this is all consolidation right here. All consolidation on the NQ right now. So whenever this move does happen, we're either going to get a massive rocket ship printing multiple bull flags, or we're going to get a waterfall printing multiple bear flags. Yep. Can't trade sideways. We trade up and we trade down, but never sideways. I'm not getting too excited for this slight push right here off this pivot, because if we don't clear multiple previous wicks, then we're going to come right back in the shop zone. So $924 will be the level I'm looking at for us to clear, because we have multiple wicks that stopped right there. So once we clear those wicks, then we'll maybe look for a long here. We're above the middle of the 15-minute range now as well. So that's promising. Just waiting. Come on, Betsy. You're going to start running for us. So we just literally put a wick right at that. We barely cleared that 824 level. Well, no, that is 824.75.
That's not it.
Let's see. Maybe we get a bull flag up here. New Iran sanctions announced. Yeah, bro, I'm definitely gonna help you with your psychology side for this, bro, because that's what we got master, right? The charts, that's the easy part. The hardest battle for trading is in between your ears. This is what we got master in between the ears before we could see the results on the charts themselves. Because at the end of the day, trading is easy for clicking the button. It's hard to fight the battles mentally. Because trust me, I've wanted to take trades today. I've wanted to click the button and see red or green on the chart. I've wanted to. But I'm not willing to risk funded accounts on chop day. And that's why I remind myself, it's like, it's not worth risking a funded on a chop day. There's no point. I'm too close to getting payouts. Why risk it for the biscuit? That doesn't make sense. So if every time you jump into a trade, you feel like your plans go out the window, then we got to rehone your plans so it's something that you could do every single day. Don't put yourself under all these big rules. Put yourself, I'm not going to trade the chop. That's rule 1. I'm only going to trade when there's momentum. That's number 2. If you don't see momentum, or if you're in chop, if you don't see either, you don't take a trade. If you see momentum, take a trade. What time are you ending the stream in? Like an hour? Probably, because I'm trying to see if we get something today. Probably in an hour or so. Just depends on if we're still chopping or not. No, the meeting was yesterday. Today I gotta go get lab work done. I've been trying to get lab work done all week, and it just has not been. The timing has not been working for me. So I bring this set mine today for like 12:30 or like 1, something like that. So in like the next hour, I'm gonna start pounding water like I'm a fish out of water. So that way I have enough for the labs today. Curtis, it happens here and there. It does happen. Right now, it's just consolidating. So when the markets are consolidating like this, a big move is coming. The whole thing is, are we going to be here for the move? And it's so annoying too. I need less than $500 for a 2K payout right now, and we're literally chopping. Come on, Betsy. Straight wildness. Straight wildness. Whoa. Look at all these people on the YouTube. What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? You guys are watching the chop with me. I love it. Are you guys up? Are you down? Are you all around? We're just sitting over here with like 30 people on the YouTube stream right now. Craziness. Oh, Curtis, definitely being patient, bro. We're not rushing. Uncle Ron, what's up? Trading the Nasdaq. Literally, we're sitting on our hands. We're going sideways and chopping, so there's no move yet. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting. This was not in the bingo cards for today. I'll say that. I was not expecting us to be chopping like this. I figured we would have at least some type of move by now, but hey, it happens. Not every day is a good day to trade. And that's real. And as you become better at trading, you'll realize that. Some days you just don't take a trade because there's no move to take. If you don't have your move, gentlemen, don't take a trade. Yeah, if it dumps at the end of the day, that'll be slightly frustrating because I'm not going to be here at the end of the day. We only stream from 9:20 a.m. Eastern time till probably 11:30, 12 max. Because we don't trade. We stream again at night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time for the Traders Hangout. A time for us to come together, talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Duane. Appreciate you tuning in. We do these two streams a day every single day, except the weekends. Weekends, it's one stream every night. But Monday through Friday, we do 2 streams. Getting some momentum into the chop zone here. But we're in the chop zone. So it's literally, it's like, oh, look, it's movement, but we're in the chop zone still. Okay. So what do you guys trade? And for all the new people in here in the back of the class, where are you guys tuning in from? Love to see where you guys are tuning in from, because this year I'm doing a traders tour. Yes, I said that. A traders tour. Every single month, I'm going to a new country or new state to visit Legacy Wealth Society members and YouTube subscribers. Because what other traders doing it? There is none. I'm the only one. I'm traveling the globe to meet up with y'all, to vibe with y'all, to trade with y'all, and to win with y'all. And one of you guys want to join the Legacy Wealth Society, Nightbot's posting the link. It's completely free to join a community for traders by traders, where everyone's working together to see each other win. All right, now we're starting to dump, but we still have to get below 841.75 for me to want to take a short. So we get below 841.75. I'll be looking for a short. But we have to have momentum. We have to have momentum. Bando, we all try to get a play, bro. It's been chopping today. Welcome, sir. We've been patiently waiting. And once again, the Bulls holding this line. Literally. Holding this line right here. Look at that on the 5-minute. That yellow line, the Bulls have been protected. The Bulls have been protected. We get below 841. It may be on and popping. Maybe some waterfalls. Bando, I haven't even taken a trade today, bro. I've been watching this Chop Fest, Chop City, just waiting for the move. Because I got a feeling now the Bulls will try pushing this up slightly. Maybe we get a bear flag down here below this 15-minute range. That would be nice. Oh, there we go. We just cleared it. Now, I got a target. We just hit the VWAP as well. Keep that in mind. I got a target 804. 804. BP, I already called Uncle D. He said he's getting ready to go live and say something crazy. I need a flag, man. I need a flag, boys. Give me a little flaggy flag. I need a flag with this momentum. We've been chopping way too much for me just to jump in because I see the market slightly doing a pullback here. We are below that 841 level. And as long as we stay below that 841, I'll be looking for a short. But she's trying to creep back. She's trying to creep back. Jesus, man. Straight chopping, man. I want to make some money. Is day trading real? 100% real, bro. It varies, bro. It honestly varies. What I say is this, right? Most traders that sell something, they make money from selling, not trading. Like if you come to this stream, you're going to actually learn how to trade because I'm not trying to sell y'all. I do have a private trading community they can pay for, but you can also join for free as well. You know, so we try printing money every day in the markets. We're getting some momentum here. Still no flag. No flag yet. I may have to take a little bit more of a risky trade just off the momentum. I have a simple strategy. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. I got this target 804. 804 for the target below us here. That was my first target from below the 15-minute range here.
We're gonna touch 807.
From your lips to God's ears, I'm ready. Agent, don't use your own capital, bro. Do not do that. Trade with the prop firm. I do not care what prop firm you trade with, but trade with the prop firm. It will save you heartache as a new trader. Trust me. All right, let's see if we get a flag. Let's see if we get a flag here. There's the 841 right there. I want to stay away from that 841. Because if we get above that 841, that's when buyers will try stepping in. And we're not trying to see that. We're not trying to see that. Just here, what's a good day? A good day trading for me is like 7 to 10K. A bad day is me losing like 3K. My average day, I'll say my average day, when the markets are moving the way I like, I try hitting at least 3K a day. That's always the goal. This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq, people. And I can't say I'm really trading. Haven't taken a trade all day today. The markets have not been showing me the moves that I want. It's been a chop city today. For all the new people in here, make sure you tune in tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We go live every single night to talk about trading, to talk about life, and everything in between, people. So make sure you tune in. It'll be with the Legacy Wealth Society community as well. It's just a great time that we have, laughing, joking, and talking about literally everything. Agent, I'm looking for bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. We just had a small bear flag print on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute as well. I want more momentum though, so I can take a short. I know when to enter and exit the trades based off the momentum on the Renko bars. Just made a new low. We hit that 804, but the movement's not clean. The movement's not clean. We're coming up on 11 too. We're coming up on 11. 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes. When do you see momentum? Glad you asked. Let me show you. On the Renkos, you'll see red going in a downward direction, or you'll see green going in an upward direction. That's the momentum that we're looking for. But if I want momentum with follow through, I want to see more red if I'm going short than the little green little pops in the red, and vice versa. If you want to learn my complete full strategy, Mac Daddy strategy that I use every day in the markets, join the Legacy Wealth Society. It's in there in the vault. Mario, I have not. Never heard of him. What session does he trade? Like the New York, the Asian, the London session? We got selling pressure. We do have selling pressure below the VWAP right now. He's from Texas. Okay. I'm from Florida. I'm a Florida man. it took me 5 months. It took me 5 months, agent. It took from August 2024 till December 2024 to put together my strategy. Then all of 2025, I was profitable in the markets using the strategy I put together. What part of Canada, Mario? I'm gonna be in Canada this weekend because I got members from the Legacy Wealth Society in Canada. And I said, I'm doing a traders tour. I'm going to Canada this weekend to vibe with community members. And it's going to be a great time. Agent Central. See, I don't like that. I don't like when the market does that move off nothing coming out. Like, that's when I say it's dangerous. Agent, you in Florida too, bro? Are you like a double agent or like 007 type agent? What kind of agent are you? Okay, nice, bro. Nice. You see, we had that weird little movement. Look at how it's trying to push up slightly now. Not feeling it today, boys. I am not feeling today's market. What do I call? I'm assuming the top chart you're referring to. Those are Renko bars. Today may be a no trade Thursday. I don't say that often because I'm normally always in the market, but I'm honestly not feeling how we're moving today. Like, see, that's crazy. That is freaking crazy right there. Make sure you got stop losses and take profits on people because it's moving wild right now for no reason. Literally, for no reason, it's moving crazy.
If this 30-minute closes above, let me see, hold on. 859, I believe we're gonna go up.
Copy.
Let's see what's in the next 2 minutes.
Agent, yes, there's very few days that I don't enter the market because if I don't like the market conditions, I'm not gonna risk funded accounts. Clint, I've been trading for a year and like 6 months consistently now. So I'm still new to this game. I'm still new. And the fact that I'm able to print the way I print is kind of wild to say. And I'm completely thankful. Well, for everyone that was trying to go short, sorry that you got squeezed. We have not had clean moves today. Number one rule to trading, protect your capital. That's their number one rule. So if the market's not moving the way you want it moving, protect your capital. If the market is moving the way you like it moving, still protect your capital. That's the only way you win in trading. You gotta protect your capital. We're back in the chop zone. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, people. How's everyone feeling? How's everyone feeling? Here comes 11. There's 11 o'clock just hit. This has been painful today, fellas and ladies. Today has been painful.
I believe we are going up.
From your lips to God's ears, bro. Oh, Curtis, listen. Listen, I said I've been trading consistently. I took 5 months in end of 2024 to put together my strategy. And I've been trading it ever since. But back in 2022, I traded for less than a month. I put $10,000, 10,000 greenbacks, 10,000 of some monies into a live funded account with Ninja Trader. They were my brokerage. They still are to this day. And I lost all $10,000. I literally lost actually $12,000 because I made like $2,000 the first day I traded it within less than a month. And I said trading was a scam. I'm like, this isn't real. No one can make money trading. I gave up trading for almost 2 years after a month trial of not knowing what to do. I was literally just clicking buttons. I was just clicking. Didn't know what I was doing, just losing money. Gave up trading, picked it up in 2024 in August, put together my strategy because I took that time from August through December that year to really learn how the market moves and put together a strategy that I could use each and every day that was simple. And I did that, and I've been using it ever since, literally making money every day. You guys can watch all the playbacks. You can see the type of money we earn here. So, yeah. Listen, I understand that losing 10K or 12K because I did lose 12K because I was up 12 grand and lost it. It definitely is, and it's crazy too. Normally for new traders, on their first day, they hit big, and then they lose everything, and then they gotta come back and learn. Yep, that it does. It gets to a point. Very true. I agree with that. I agree, Curtis. Brett, have a good night, bro. I'll see you tonight. Or have a good day. I'll see you tonight. Agent, it's not like a casino because if you have a solid strategy, you can literally print money every day in the market. A casino, you're just rolling the dice every day. With this, we actually have legit strategies that we're using to make market withdrawals. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to look at the market as a bank. And we're trying to take a withdrawal from the bank each and every day when you come in here. I'm honestly probably going to pass on today and not take any trades. It's already after 11. Unless the market just starts printing flags with momentum, like I'm probably not jumping in today. Curtis, that's why in the Legacy Wealth Society, I have my full strategy that literally fast tracks people to the results. Life lesson. I taught myself how to trade. Now I had to figure out my own strategy. Well, if you taught yourself how to trade, you should have a strategy already. Because if you just taught yourself how to click a button, you do not have a strategy yet. Let's see if we possibly get, I'm not going to do it. We're at close to the middle of this 15-minute range. Yeah, I was getting ready to say, oh, let's see if we get a bull flag here. But I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to do that to myself. Because the last time I did this, right, waited like the entire live stream to take a trade. I made money in one account and then lost $2,000 in another account. Not trying to do that again. Because we need to clear 925. BP, I'm following your footsteps, bro. Like, I want to make money today. I do. Well, I'm not willing to risk money today. with how the market's been moving. I'll give you a simple strategy, people. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That strategy right there will print money for you. BP, you right. Yeah, but we are day traders, not everyday traders. I like that. I like that. Say it again. We are day traders, not everyday traders. That's what BP said in the chat. Legacy, how we feeling, boys? How we feeling? We up, we down? Are we flat? How we doing today?
I made a quick 520.
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it.
On the upside.
Yeah, I'm just standing by. I haven't seen anything too exciting.
Nah, not too crazy.
Dylan's
I'm
like
just
green
here to
as
watch
well.
Duane.
Hey, at least we're not losing today, boys. That's at least we're not losing. We'll take that. Good job, Dylan. Glad you made some money there as well. Adam, hopefully you've been safe in the market. Sylvester, you as well, sir. Yeah, bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. If you have a flag with no momentum, you have no trade. You have to have the momentum with the flag. That's the only way you get a trade with my strategy. Why? Because from me doing my research and learning live in the markets, I realize it simply pays. No, 100%, Curtis. Like, listen, last month was the first month ever in my trading career, right, that I had a couple days out of the year where I did not take a trade. And that just shows the growth because I'm still growing, people. I'm still new to this. Yes, I have a Mac Daddy money strategy that prints, but I'm still learning. I'm still growing. I'm growing with y'all. So last month was the first month I had like 2 or 3 days in December where I didn't take a trade. But once you get to a certain point, like you realize you can always click the button. That does not mean you're going to win. That's why staying out of the market like today, I'm doing that so I don't lose money. It's not because I don't want to win, because I do want to win. But I'm not willing to risk capital on a choppy day. That's just me. I'm ready for the gym today, boys. I'm trying to get down. I'm like less than 12 pounds away. Less than 12 freaking pounds away to be under 300 pounds again, which I haven't seen that since like 2017. Completely transparent. But I'll be able to go zip lining while I'm in Mexico next month. That's why I'm trying to get these 12 pounds off so I can go zip lining, boys. Me and my girl, we're going to our favorite all-inclusive resort. We go there multiple times a year. And this year, we're going at least 3 to 4 times. That's awesome. But in November, we are having a traders meetup at the X-Correct Hotel in Mexico. And it's going to be a complete vibe. We're all of the Legacy Wealth Society members will be going out to Mexico in November as a community.
Right, it's recession proof. It actually, these guys,
appreciate life lesson. You know what I'm saying? It's been a journey. It has definitely been a weight loss journey for me. Let's see. I think I just heard a ding. I'm not sure if it was the song or what. Let me check it here. So right now, I feel like we're trying to build a bull flag, right? But we're still in the chop zone. We're still in the chop zone. So I see a flag trying to get printed, but we're in the chop. We're watching the Nasdaq, bro. Futures, the Nasdaq, the Nasdaq. It's like putting lightning in the bottle every single day. I love it. I probably got another 20 minutes here, and then I'll be jumping off. I'm gonna try. Give me a remote or something. I gotta have something in my hand so I don't click. You know what I'm saying? I gotta fidget a little bit right now, boys. So I don't just click buttons to click them. This weekend we will be still having our trader hangouts, and we will be streaming next week as usual, just from Canada. So make sure you tune in. We're going to have some fun. I'll probably do some giveaways while I'm in Canada as well. Who knows? When we hit 1,000 subs, I gave away a Mac Daddy standing desk. And I gave away money. We were spinning the wheel live on YouTube, giving away stuff. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you become a sub. Because we literally have the best community and the best people, right? Because everyone that comes to the YouTube channel, the live streams, and Legacy Wealth Society, they're all quality people. And we're going to have the largest community globally, not because of how much money we make in the market, but because we're all actively trying to help people win. I'm going to be known for how many people I help win in the markets, not for how much money I make, because the money's going to come. The money comes when you help people. But that's my goal. And we're looking like on that 2-minute, that's looking like a nice little bull flag. But we're in the chop zone. So I'm a hands-off type guy right now. But that is looking like a bull flag, boys. Spin the wheel. Dylan, maybe tonight I'll spin the wheel. Maybe tonight we spin the wheel. So tune in, people, for the Traders Hangout tonight. We may give away something. Who knows what we're going to give away? We may give away some money. We may give away some like coaching. Who knows? BP, I went full pour. I'm up 10 grand today. That's a joke. I did not go full pour. I'm up $0. I'm flat. So if I'm not up and I'm not down, that means I still won today. Queen, what's up? Good morning. How's your trading day been so far? Or are you just getting up? BP, if you're flat, I'm in good company. You know what I'm saying? I'm in good company. Well, Queen's making that money today. Congrats, Queen, on your 1035. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. BP, have a good one, bro. I'm hopping off at 11:30. Right now, Queen, the Nasdaq is just chopping. It's been chopping all morning. So I already know what's going to happen. As soon as I get off stream, the market's going to explode. It's going to do a rocket ship or a waterfall. So just know it's my fault the market's been chopping. So once I get off, it's going to happen for y'all.
Guys, I'm out of here too.
Have a good one, Moose.
All right, see you Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Moose.
Yo. I'll see you later.
Later.
All right.
Everything's shopping. I feel that one. That's what everyone's been saying. They're like, gold's shopping. Everything's shopping right now. So that means something big is coming. Something big is going to come. But I probably won't be here when it happens, sadly. Because I'm getting off at 11:30. Like, see, Queen, I scalp too here and there, but when it's choppy, I don't even like to scalp. But that's just me. Trading's personal, so whatever works for you, keep doing it. Whatever works for you, keep doing it. Hey, 5K each week. That's solid. That's solid. That's a nice month. 20 grand a month from trading. No one's complaining about that. Well, luckily, Queen, you're doing the right thing. You're trading, right? This is the fastest money anyone can ever make if they simply lock into a simple strategy. So as long as you got a solid strategy that you print money every day, you're set. Like, so for me personally, I'm not mad that I haven't taken a trade today because yesterday made 3K. The day before that, it was over 5K. So I'm not complaining whatsoever this week. We just take our time. No, agent. So on YouTube, I have 2 streams going on YouTube. In the chat, I get all the chats put together. So, agent, you're on the shorts feed for the stream. Some people are on the horizontal feed where you see like more of the screen, everything like that. Okay, Queen. So if you're averaging each week, your goal is 5 grand, right? Yeah. So if you're averaging and shooting for 5 grand a week and you're doing it already, stick to it. Don't change anything. Okay, 24, that's a lot of trades. Yeah, 24, that's a lot. Is that on the option side or on the future side? Yeah, agent. So I come at y'all, right? Because I was looking at the YouTube analytics. It was showing me that I have a lot of people that watch on their phones and some people that watch on computers. I'm like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have a stream for both so everyone can come and vibe. Options, okay. Yeah, for futures, I normally per account, I trade multiple funded accounts. I try only doing 1, maybe 2 trades per account each day. Because less is more when it comes to trading. Futures. I don't trade options, so I can't tell you how that one flows. But for futures, less is definitely more. Because 20 or 40 trades, you're like, oh, someone lost money that day if they did that many trades on futures. Because my biggest day actually is super. I bet. I did have one big day. I had 20 trades in one day. That day I made over 7 grand, but that's on multiple accounts. So it wasn't 20 trades on one account. That would have been like 2 or 3 per account. That's how I got to the 20 trades. And I have 20 trades, 17 were winners, 3 were losers. Well, it's stressful, but you're making money, so you're winning. Yep, 11 more minutes, people. I'm gonna be jumping off here. We got this bull flag on the 2 minute, but we're still in the chop zone. So I see the flag. I want to take the flag, but we're in the chop zone still, so not going to take it. That's really good, Queen. That's awesome. Congrats. I averaged 82% win rate. tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to talk about the markets. We're going to talk about life and everything in between. So make sure you guys tune in to vibe with us because it's going to be a good old time. Yeah, Curtis, that's my private trading community. There's a free option to join. There is paid options as well. The free option gets you into the community discussion, and that will also give you like our main community page where I post like motivational posts each and every day. Everything like that. Life lessons, Detroit. Awesome. I'll be up in your neck of the woods. Well, I'll be in Canada this weekend. And I may be stopping by Detroit on the way back. Who knows? Because I got some members up there.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Mitch, what's up, bro?
How's it going?
I'm better now that you're here, man. I was like, man, I can't trade today. Mitch isn't here. But now that Mitch is here, I can officially trade people.
Hey, man, I hope y'all been trading because there's some solid moves other than that chopping that was there for a bit. But
It's just been chopping, bro.
I was sitting in the hospital watching.
I heard that. What you got? What you got? I'm all ears.
No, it's chopping. I'm not taking anything today.
Has anybody taken a trade yet today?
Some people have. I'm flat for the day.
Nice.
I took one.
Let's go.
My schedule for YouTube, Monday through Friday. I stream the New York session, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. Every single night of the week, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We go live once again for the Traders Hangout, where we talk about trading, we talk about life, and everything in between.
Yo, what did G get?
G made like $500 in the chop.
Nice work.
Agent, you can make money trading the chop. Just for me personally, I'm not good at trading chop days. So that's why I don't even touch it.
To get my big profit. No, I do not.
So for me personally, I realize I lose more than win on chop days. So I don't even try trading anymore.
Yeah, I can't trade the chop. If I trade the chop, I'm gone.
Like the last time I traded chop, I made $200 in a funded account and then lost $2,000 in a funded. So with that being said, I don't touch it. Oh, where'd my music go? I just realized. How often are days choppy? Honestly, it varies, bro. You can have a couple days choppy and then only a couple of good days where the market's really moving. It just varies, to be real. There's no set number of choppy days or great days each year. No, I wouldn't say half the week. It really just depends on what the market's doing, everything like that. Queen, you'll definitely improve. Just keep coming back each and every day, perfecting your craft, and you'll be able to master it. Trading is by far the best thing that we could do for ourselves, people. I love it. I own businesses offline, and I will always trade. I'd rather trade than my businesses offline. And I have businesses that are very, very large. But with trading, you don't need a customer. You don't need an employee. You just need yourself. And what else can we do that it only takes you to actually win? Still in the chop zone. So still no trades. Queen, that's awesome. That's awesome. But even with something like that, because I was looking at doing like the Amazon FBA back in the day. I didn't even want to do that because I'm like, the money still dictated on people buying. I wanted something that required nobody else but myself. Well, Curtis, that's why I always tell people trade with prop firms, so that way they can't harm themselves in the markets. Because instead of investing 10 grand like I did back in 2022, you could literally pay $100, get an eval, pass it, and make money off $100. Oh, I bet. Queen, I have a business, a 7-figure business offline, and trading produces way more quicker than that business offline. And that business has over like 100 employees. Like, I prefer trading. I don't have to think about payroll. I don't have to think about none of it. I just think about how much money am I going to withdraw from the markets each day. Back in 2022, I traded for 1 month. In 2022, I lost 10 grand in a month of personal funds. I gave up trading. I said, trading's a scam. Then back in 2024, me and my brother were talking. He was telling me about prop firms, everything like that. That was in July. That next month in August, I told myself, if people are winning at trading, that means I can win. So I put together my strategy from August 2024 to December 2024. And I've been trading it ever since. No, this is not synthetic trading. I don't even know what synthetic trading is, but I don't think this is, bro. So I've been a profitable trader for over a year now. So we'll take it. Using my simple strategy that's literally base hits. Oh, the cool thing about the strategy, even in funded accounts, I get the same results. The fills are just a little bit better, actually, with a live brokerage account. Anybody have any questions, concerns? Like, speak now or forever hold your peace. Ashton, no. The pleasure's all mine to see you, bro. Good morning. Still in this chop zone, people. But don't worry. As soon as I shut the stream down, the market's going to go crazy for y'all, and you guys are going to make tons of money. So just make sure you thank me on tonight's hangout. Checking a couple things before I jump off here. Legacy, you got any questions, concerns, anything like that? Queen, you have a good day as well. Ashton, Eric, Dylan, Curtis, life lessons. Oops. Shows I'm not trading. My screen just went black. Gotta love it. Agent. I hope you guys have a safe rest of your day in the markets, people. G, Adam, Sylvester's, Mitch. I was going to say Silky. I don't know why. That's your name on the Zoom call.
Yeah, people call me Silk or Silky. That's actually my nickname.
Okay. I'm going to call you Silky.
Yeah, my last name is Silkman, so yeah.
Ah, okay. I wasn't sure if you were just like, you wear silk in your house all day or something. I just wasn't sure.
I mean, you never know. Wait, are you hopping off, or did somebody say they were leaving or something?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to jump off here. It's 11:30. I'm done watching the chop. I've watched it for too long at this point. So I'm gonna be jumping off the stream here.
Last pop.
What was that?
I was just gonna say I just made a quick 225 on the last pop.
You're better than me. Hey, you're better than me today, bro. Congratulations. Make sure you put in the community discussion. We love to see everyone winning. Thanks for what you do, brother. So where can I find education that helps push me over the hump? I feel like I'm almost there. Shady, if you want to learn, it's very simple. I got a couple videos on YouTube, but join the Legacy Wealth Society. You can join completely for free. But if you do the base package with the community, that gets you the vault. And that's where I have my full strategy that I use each and every day to print money. This week alone, I'm already over $10,000. So keep that in mind. So click the link, join the free side, check the vibe, see everyone winning. And then if you want to get the vault and all the other extra benefits of the paid side, feel free to upgrade at any time. But join for free, get around like-minded traders that are winning in the markets each and every day, and that will help you get over that hump, bro. Well, people, nothing but love. I'm tuning off here. I'll see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to talk about trading. We're going to talk about life and everything in between. So make sure you tune in, and we'll have fun tonight with y'all. Be blessed, everyone. Stay safe in this choppy market.
Have a good one.
I'll catch y'all later.
Later, guys.
Have a good one.
Bye.